What's up you guys, welcome to XJ Jess's channel. So, have the electric door locks stopped working on your XJ40 or they were never functional when you purchased your Jag? Then you probably have a blown fuse or a faulty module. Now let me show you guys where they're located. Let's go. Inspect the door lock fuse located on the passenger side footwell against the door. On the inside of the fuse cover you'll find a list of each fuse circuit. Locate the door lock fuse and remove it. Hold the fuse up and check the center metal wire for signs of damage or a break. If you see either of these, replace it. If your fuse looks like this one, then you're good. You might have a faulty door lock module. The door lock module is located underneath the passenger dash interior cover. Remove the Phillips screws all around. In the second metal cover, there should be a diagram that lists the relays and modules located inside the cover. If yours doesn't have one, I'll list a downloadable diagram in the video description. Remove the Phillips screws all around. Before removing the module, check to see if the wiring harness is disconnected. Sometimes it just comes off. To replace the module, remove 2 Phillips screws. Alright you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching you guys, and if you personally want to support this channel, there is a donation link in the video description, or you can purchase a super thanks. All donations will be used for tools and parts, and of course you're not obligated to donate. You probably like, man, this guy keeps asking to donate. You don't have to, bro. You can watch my videos for free. I love doing this. But, I mean, it will help me get parts faster and to make more videos for you guys. Thanks for watching again. I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.